What's inside these blue eggs? What's inside these blue eggs? Baby birds were inside the eggs. Baby birds are called chicks. What's inside these oval eggs? Baby snakes were inside the eggs. Baby snakes are called snakelets. What's inside these sandy eggs? Baby sea turtles were inside the eggs. Baby turtles are called hatchlings. What's inside these slimy eggs? Baby frogs were inside the eggs. Baby frogs are called tadpoles. Which of these eggs have you seen?